Boom. Hello, thank you for joining us. I'm Dr. Mark McMahon, founder of Coyote Dental. We're going to talk about how to save thousands of dollars on your dental work while on an exotic vacation. Yes, I'm recording this live from Cancun. Have you gotten an astronomical estimate to fix your teeth? Would you like to be able to chew again without pain? Would you like to be able to laugh and smile again without holding back because of your teeth? A coyote is someone who helps people to cross the border, the Mexican border, so they can improve their life. I am a dentist and the son of a dentist. I grew up crossing the border with my father. He showed me crossing the border was no biggie. I followed in his footsteps to become a dentist. He taught me lessons about dental care and about caring for people. These concepts seem to be absent in our current fractured healthcare system. Both the health and the care seem to have gotten lost. My father was an avid adventurer and explorer, another torch I have carried on from him. After my father passed away, in one very specific moment, I was struck with my own mortality. I told myself I was going to take 6 months off to do what I loved, and that was to travel and take pictures. In that moment, I set a date, November 1st. I was leaving no matter what. But between the time I set the date and the time the date arrived, some unexpected magic occurred. Yes, magic is possible. Instead of taking 6 months off, I sold 3 different assets. My dental practice, a trademark I owned on the name SmileWorks, and a video I had produced on porcelain veneers. All 3 deals were signed and sealed the same day, November 1st, the day I had committed to leaving. Boom, freedom. I had time and money. I embarked on a solo driving odyssey all the way from Tucson, Arizona to the southern tip of South America. It was an adventure of a lifetime. After I returned, the unthinkable happened. I started running out of money, and my dental license had lapsed. I made a run for the border to see if I would be able to work there. I was blown away by what I found. Technology that far surpassed a typical office, a typical US office, talented professionals, and a level of compassionate care that is just flat out missing in our current healthcare culture at a small fraction of the price. I started bringing people from Tucson to offices in Nogales that I trusted. Since then, we have expanded to other cities along the border and to resort destinations in southern Mexico, as well as Costa Rica. Our mission is to improve the quality of life of our clients by connecting them with the right dental care professionals at a fraction of the cost. We are experts at helping people to sort out their needs, connecting them with the right office in their desired location, whether it's a solo practitioner along the border or a large clinic with multiple specialists at a resort area, whether it's for implants or porcelain veneers or anything in between, we'll help find a match for you. On your Coyote Concierge call, we will help you to clarify your dental needs. We'll help you to determine where you'd like to go, and then we'll refer you to an office in our Coyote Dental Network, pre-screened offices. Schedule your free call now. Click the link on this page or visit coyotedental.com. We take the guesswork out of finding the right office for you. You definitely do not want to show up in Mexico and be at the mercy of hustlers on the street. We're going to talk a little bit about the difference between borders, offices at the border, and resort locations. Obviously, there's more travel involved, and depending on where you live, your convenience to the border, these are all issues that will determine your decision and what's best for you. So we help you sort that out. I want to talk about safety and speaking Spanish. You might assume you need to speak Spanish and that traveling in Mexico is scary, but the places we refer you to are in tourist areas where there is a lot of safety that's just provided by the Mexican culture and the Mexican government. And the offices we refer you to all speak English. The dentists, if they're not perfectly fluent, they have a dental assistant who was raised in LA and speaks more slang than you do. We want to talk to you, help you to sort out whether you need a large clinic or a solo office. There's pluses and minuses to both. Certain procedures, you need multiple specialists. A large clinic is better. If you know exactly what you need and you can find the right office to go to, and you can get a solo office, that's can be simpler and less administration. I want to talk a little bit about implants. We help you to sort out the difference between the different types of implants. Implants are a good procedure for dental tourism because of the prices in the US. So you're going to end up saving a lot of money. So it makes it worth your while to fly to a resort. And then we're also going to talk about porcelain veneers. That's really, I think, in my opinion, the ideal procedure for dental tourism because they're pricey procedure. And unlike implants require at least 2 visits to get the work done, the implants placed and have the bone integrate. Porcelain veneers is something that can be done over a long weekend, some places even in 1 day. And once it's done, it's really done. There's no follow-up required, and you're really good to go. That being said, not every dentist, not every office has the aesthetic expertise to do porcelain veneers well. So you have to be careful. A lot of offices will say they do porcelain veneers, but they don't do very many of them, and they don't do a really aesthetic job, which is really what you want. You want somebody who's got that extra aesthetic expertise. That's 3 E's: expertise, extra aesthetic expertise. Coyote concierge call. Another thing I wanted to tell you about is about the distinction between orthodontics and porcelain. That what we can help you with is the distinction between orthodontics and porcelain veneers. Very often these days you're getting bombarded with advertisements and promotion regarding Invisalign and Smile Club, but it's not always the best thing, especially for adults. Sometimes the orthodontics is not the best thing, and porcelain veneers will solve the problem in a better way than orthodontics for adults. So that's something for you to consider that we can help you with. And that being said, what I'm saying is we want to help you get educated and then find the right office and have you feel you know what you need and you feel comfortable with the place that you're getting it done and it fits into your budget. We've helped thousands of people each save thousands of dollars. And here are a few of our success stories. This is Mary Ellen. She got the runaround in the US with varying different types of diagnosis and treatment plans. We got her to an office in Mexico. They came up with a treatment plan that was far better than anything she got in the US. And she saved $22,000, $805, all in one place. And this is Lisa, and she was really afraid, concerned about going to Mexico. But after talking to us, she felt comfortable and she went through with her treatment, got some composite veneers instead of porcelain. And she loved her smile. It saved her a lot of money. And the dentist said that he would apply the cost of the composite veneers to porcelain veneers when she eventually wants to upgrade to that treatment. So she was extremely happy. And this is Rebecca. Her dad was one of our clients and he had a great experience. And so he helped his daughter. She came from California and she needed a lot of work. She had had some medical problems and had always had bad teeth. And we got her to an office and the estimates she'd gotten in the States were upwards of $35,000 to get the work done. And they said it was going to take weeks, or no, excuse me, like 4 months to get it done. So we got her to an office and they got all the work done. She got 5 root canals and 5 crowns and a whole bunch of porcelain veneers, all done within 5 days. And she saved $23,000. So, and then when she went back to the States, she went back to some of the same specialists and they were astounded by the quality and the time, the speed with which she got the work done. So we'll be able to fix your teeth at a fraction of the cost. You'll be able to fix your teeth at a fraction of the cost and get a vacation as a bonus. And that's exactly what we help our clients achieve. You need to have, if this is right for you, if you need to have a substantial amount of work done, you're willing to learn the truth about dentistry outside the US, and you believe that you're worth it, that you deserve a great smile and a great vacation. So book your Coyote Concierge call, CCC, and schedule your time to chat with us one-on-one by clicking the link on this page or in the chat, or visiting us at coyotedental.com. And we're looking forward to helping you get on the road to better dental health and a beautiful smile. Thank you.